Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, I am going to talk about convalescent plasma therapy, which is used to treat COVID patients. Today, this therapy which is used is not a new technique. It's an 100-year-old technique which was developed by Adolf von Behring. This technique was first used to treat diphtheria and later is also used in Spanish influenza and pandemic. Now, the main funda of this therapy is when a virus enters into our body responds and produces some of the protein molecules, which are the magical bullets known as antibodies commonly. These antibodies recognize the foreign particle which entered into our body and helps in killing that foreign particle and helps in the removal of that and cure of the disease. The main principle of this therapy is when the antibodies from the recovered patient are transferred to the patient who is suffering from the disease. It means the transfer of herd immunity from one patient to the other, which helps in the transfer of antibodies and which helps in the cure of the disease. Now, let's we see the mechanism of these antibody production, which are helping in the cure of the disease. Mainly, two antibodies are responsible for the treatment of for the cure of viruses, which are antibody A and antibody M. These antibodies, when a virus enters into our body, it just removes its outer coat and when it enters into the cell. Later, as viruses doesn't contain any enzymes, it uses the host machinery and replicates itself. During the process of replication, some of the viruses replicated enters into the proteosomes, which is a part of the cell where it contains low molecular weight proteins that chops the viral fragments. These viral fragments are loaded upon the MHC complexes. These MHC complexes' main role is to project these viral fragments to the outer surface of the cell. By projecting these viral fragment to the outer surface of the cell, if the cell indicates that I am in injury, please come and help me. It shows some signals to our immune system. That means when immune system is uh, when immune system gets immunized, it sends two types of cells, which are B cells and T cells. Mainly, when MHC molecule is covered with a viral fragment, T cells comes and attaches to that and helps in the killing of the cell by the release of cytokines. This is a one way in which T cells helps in the removal of the virus or the foreign particle which entered. Later, this T cell also helps in the activation of the another kind of immune cell, which is a B cell, which is mainly responsible for the production of antibodies in the body and also produces the memory cells, which remembers and helps in the protection of us when we are again affected by the same virus or the bacteria. Later, as these antibodies are only responsible for transfer from herd immunity. These antibodies are the only which are transferred from one body to the other body and which helps in the treatment. Later, as everything have advantage and disadvantages, this therapy has also some advantages. In this therapy, the plasma which is taken from the recovered patient contains the specific antibodies which are used for the treatment and it's cost effective. Later, these antibodies may also use to treat the patients who are having the risk of severe illness such as heart attack, diabetes, and people who are not responding to who have a weakened immune system. Later, this is also used to treat the patients who are not responding to any treatment or any drug which doctors are using. Later, the disadvantages of these therapy are uh, by intake of the plasma, it results in an opposite way. By increased antibodies in the body, it leads to an antibody enhancement syndrome, which leads to the death of the person. Later, in some of the persons, the excess in the it will reduce the body's own immune system by stopping it to respond to other diseases or other virus or bacteria which enter into the body. It also the people with higher older ages and also with the diseases, when they are intolerable to take this high amount of plasma. Finally, please don't be afraid of donating your plasma if you are affected and cured by this disease. The donating this your plasma helps in saving others' life. Please try to donate your plasma. Stay home, stay safe. Prevention is better than cure. Thanks.